Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Pigeon Forge. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Hampton Inn Pigeon Forge, just 4 miles away from Dollywood and Dolly's Splash Country. This hotel is centrally located in downtown Pigeon Forge and features both an indoor and outdoor pool, complimentary hot breakfast and free Wi-Fi. LeConte Center at Pigeon Forge is 1.8 miles away. Every room at Hampton Inn Pigeon Forge provides a 55-inch flat-screen TV with cable channels, a microwave and a small refrigerator. A private bathroom with a hairdryer and complimentary bath amenities is also included. Guests can re-energize in the fitness center or relax in the outdoor hot tub while kids enjoy the outdoor activity pool. The hotel also features a porch with rocking chairs and a communal den with a fireplace. A business center is also on site for guest convenience. The Ripken Experience is 1.9 miles away from the property. Great Smoky Mountains National Park is 9.9 miles away. Over a dozen of the city's acclaimed restaurants, attractions and theaters are within walking distance of the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.